In today's tree talk, I have chosen a tree, Kidia. Kidia calycina. In Hindi, it is called Pulia or Pula. In Assamia, it is called as Picholo. In Bangla, Polo. In down south, Malayalam language, it is called as Bajukal. In Telugu, it is called as Potari. This is the tree from the ladyfinger family, Bhindi family. So in Marathi language, it is also called as the Ran Bhindi or Bhindi. In Kannada language, it is called as Bende. This particular plant, though belong to hibiscus family, ladyfinger family, Malvaceae, is a tree. Medium-sized trees, grows up to 15 meter tall. Its leaves are alternate, but they are angled, and main nerves are 5 to 7. 5 to 7 multi-nerved leaf, and lamina is angled, not lobed but angled. As it belongs to the Kapas family, Gossypium family, one of the cotton which is used in daily life, that also belongs to the same family. So it is also known as Ban Kapasia in Odia language, or Ban Kupasi. Kapasia also the Urdu name. And why it is named as Kidia calycina? This is also very interesting. We have in India the Indian Botanical Gardens, Calcutta. It was established way back in 1787 by a British Army officer, Colonel Robert Kidd, who laid the foundation of Indian Botanical Gardens, Calcutta, with the aim of including cultivating the commercial edible plants, the plants having the economic value, and that was the earlier focus. He established it in 1787, but he expired in 1793, and after that the gardens control came to the hands of Dr. William Roxburgh, who is also known as the father of Indian botany. William Roxburgh was a surgeon and also botanist. So many plants stands named after Roxburgh. For example, Pinus roxburghii. Even Kidia was also named as Kidia roxburghiana, but he proposed the name, the genus name, in the honor of Robert Kidd as Kidia. And since its flowers have the acrescent, persistent calyx, 4-5 lobed, and it is fused little, and then it remains present even in the fruit. So, and it becomes acrescent enlarged. It's very prominent rather than petals. Sepals are very persistent and they are prominent. So the species name is calycina because of calyx. We have some hibiscus which also grow tall. For example, Hibiscus tiliaceus, Hibiscus mutabilis. But this Kidia is unique because whereas in other hibiscus species we have the monodelphous stamens. Stamens are united in one bundle. In Kidia, stamens are 20 to 30, many stamens, but they are in 5 bundles. So this distinguishes it from hibiscus. Kidia calycina is found in Jammu Shivalaks. We find it in Ramnagar, Bilawar, Tikri, Katra, Riyasi, Kathua. This is also found in Tamil Nadu, Coimbatore, in Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Assam, Bengal, Uttar Pradesh. In Uttar Pradesh it is called as pulao or fulao. Flowers are white or pinkish white, and they are hardly 1 centimeter, 1 or 1 to 1.5 centimeter size. Flowers are polygamous, so some are male, some are female, with rudimentary other parts. For example, in male flowers, pistil lobe is absent. In case of female flowers, the style gynoecium is having the 3 styles. Stigmas are capitate, as we find in hibiscus also, and ovary is trilocular with each locule having the 2 seeds. So 5-6 seeded schizocarp capsule is the fruit in Kidia calycina, locally called pula in Dogri. This particular tree, because the flowers are not that very large or very gaudy, but they grow in dense drooping panicles, much branched clusters, and it is because of the moss effect, it also has some kind of ornamental significance. As the tree is not very common, this tree need to be introduced in the Jammu parks and gardens, even in the city environment, so that we are able to spread awareness regarding this lesser known hibiscus like Kidia calycina, named by William Roxburgh in honor of first director of the first superintendent of Botanical Gardens, Calcutta, which is also known for the great banyan Ficus bengalensis. And in the year 2009, the Indian Botanical Gardens has been named after the great Bangla scientist Sir Acharya Jagdish Chandra Bose as Acharya Jagdish Chandra Bose Botanical Gardens, Calcutta. It is very famous botanical garden and is known for many introductions. One of the main achievement of the botanical garden is also the introduction of tea from China, Camellia sinensis, and after its introduction, initial introduction, the tea gardens were established in Nilgiris and Assam and Darjeeling. This particular botanical garden has also Corupita guyanensis, unique Shivlingam trees, even the Victoria amazonica regal lily and Kidia calycina as well. Its very near relative, Kidia calycina relative, is found in South India. Presently, it is named as Julostylia polyandra. Julostylia polyandra is the endemic to South India. It is not found elsewhere, any part of the globe. Julostylus polyandra is the plant which resembles the Kidia calycina, but here the stamen number is less and flowers are yellow, and this is restricted to the tropical climate. Julostylus polyandra is endemic and highly threatened taxa. Another species under the genus Julostylus angustifolia is also seen in the South Indian forests, especially the Kerala forests. Kidia calycina, locally called pula, is used as fodder tree, and its wood is also used for the agricultural implements. Its stem is used for fiber, extraction of fibers. Its stem has the bast fiber. as it belongs to the bhindi family, so like bhindi, its stem also has mucilage, and that mucilage is also used for skin treatment for skin ailments, especially wounds and swellings and inflammations by the local people. Kidia calycina leaves are long stalked. Leaf lamina is up to 15 centimeter, and stalk is also up to 8 to 10 centimeter, and it has agricultural significance, and farmers are well conversant with the tree under the name pula, whereas it need introduction in the botanical gardens and herbal gardens, which so far I have not come across in anywhere in the Jammu region. But this tree warrants introduction in our conservatories for future conservation of the unique species native to India, named after Colonel Kidd as Kidia calycina.